If you're based in the United States, are on TikTok Shop, and you are looking for your next opportunity, you're going to want to see this. There's a supplement product that is going crazy right now. And in this video, not only am I going to show you what the product is, I'm going to show you how people are selling it and how much money they are making. But before we do that, my name is Victor, and my background is as a marketing project manager, where we took hundreds of struggling B2B brands from confusion and chaos to launching with effective marketing strategies. That's what I cover in this channel. If you feel like I've earned it by the end of this video, please like, hype, and subscribe. We're looking at the Toplux Magnesium Complex. The product is a magnesium supplement, pills that you take on a daily basis. It contains 8 different types of magnesium. Each type supports your body in slightly different ways, and you take it to help your body function better overall. These are some of the ways that it helps, and this is important to know because the basis of some of these ads that I'm going to show you in a minute is knowing how this helps the person who buys the supplement. People usually take magnesium for better sleep, less stress, feeling calmer, muscle recovery after workouts, more energy, and general wellness. Who it's for? It's for mainly adults who feel tired, stressed, or low energy, people who struggle with sleep, gym goers who want better recovery, and people who want a simple daily health boost. We are noticing problems that are relatable for a wide variety of adults from all over the world who have money in their pockets that they are willing to spend to solve these problems. And most of them are already taking similar products. We know that there is a proven market for a product like this. How much are affiliates making when they sell this product? This particular supplement is selling at $26.97 per unit with a commission rate of 32%. They've closed $631,000 in the last 7 days in revenue, with most of it coming from video revenue, which is good news for on-demand video creators. Top affiliates are bringing in amounts like $64,000 in the last 7 days alone, $44,000, $32,000, $31,000. The follower count of the creators varies. The top one has got 124,000 followers. The next one just below that has got just under 6,000 followers. More proof that you don't need a huge account in order to crush it as a brand on TikTok Shop affiliate. And some of the higher performing ads, and I'm going to play some of them for you in just a second. We've got this top one here, $23,000, that one single video at 1.6 million views. We've got this one here, $22,000 at 1.1 million views. And if we scroll a little bit further down, you'll notice something which has caused me to wonder if that is an AI generated video and whether that's an AI generated video as well. And if it is, the opportunity just completely skyrockets for you to jump on this opportunity as well. And I'm going to play these videos here in just a second so we can determine if they are that exactly. But firstly, I wanted to show you this top affiliate here who has made $64,000 from this product in just the last 7 days. And what's blown my mind regarding the types of ads that they are creating. Take a look at this. Now, you probably can't hear the audio. Don't worry, that's on purpose in case the music is copyright music. Pay attention to the type of video this is. If you spend any amount of time on TikTok or TikTok Shop, you'll know that this is a carousel. They've taken a bunch of pictures, combined them, and created this slideshow with one particular image showing the product. So the algorithm is satisfied that it is a genuine video promoting this product. And this video, which probably took them seconds, can be replicated with AI and can very easily be manipulated to make it look like that. I'm not saying that they have manipulated it. I'm not saying they're not genuine, but replicating a similar result, it is not out of the realm of possibility to do that. That simple video generated $5,000 in revenue in just the last 7 days. And I'm going to show you another one in just a second. And this is from the same content creator, and you'll start to see a pattern. If you pay close attention, it's exactly the same style of video. All we are seeing is a transformation, one image and another image. It could be them, it could be someone else. Again, something that can easily be generated with AI nowadays. They have absolutely crushed it. 28K likes showing the product as well in one of the photos. This will take you minutes to make. You just take some photos or you download some photos, you take a photo with the product, which will probably cost them a very small amount of money to get from Amazon, 1-day delivery, etc., or get it as a sample from the store. You've got yourself a video that you are posting on the platform. How much did this video make? This one is currently sitting at $6,000 in revenue in just the last 7 days. If you look at the production quality of the video, and if you really think about how easy it would be for you to create a similar type of video, it's crazy to imagine the opportunity there. Now, these are ads, so that makes me think of GMV Max on TikTok, where TikTok Shop will select the videos that it uses uses to place ads for brands that have high budgets, which is good news because that means even if you're just starting out, if you are a new TikTok Shop affiliate person, brand, whatever, you've got an opportunity to jump on that as well. Let's look at a third example. Exactly the same content creator, the same pattern. And again, they are finding success with these carousels. One image shows the product, the rest shows different people. One person is slightly larger, the next person is slightly slimmer. Transformation. That doesn't have to be genuine. That could be you, that could be your sister, that could be you on one image and then your slimmer brother in the next. That could be just AI and completely fabricated. I'm not saying do that, but I'm saying it is possible. When it comes to whether there is an opportunity to make money with faceless AI generated videos, you can see straight away from the screenshot, from the thumbnail, it is definitely 100% AI generated, and they have generated $23,180 in just the last 7 days, more than the human content creator. And if we look at the video, this is how it looks. I'm going to play again. Don't worry if you can't hear the audio. It's just because it might be copyrighted material that is on there. If you think of tools like Nano Banana, CapCut, and FreePig, Arcads AI, there's a bunch of different tools that you can use to create AI generated videos like this. They've got the product showing on there. And what's crazy is they didn't even need to have that in their hands. They've used AI to replicate that image or put a genuine image of the picture in there and basically just put this video together. And if you'd like me to do a walkthrough of how to create a similar video to this using AI without showing your face, let me know in the comments. All the tools that I'm showcasing here are linked in the description, and I've got a free guide that you can grab in the description on how to create your own AI generated faceless videos for supplements like this. So feel free to go and grab that as well.